Gideon replied, "Give me a sign that it is really you talking to me." Judges 6:17.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. God at Work was written by Tim Gustafson and read by Stephen Tabor.
Judges chapter 6, verses 36 through 40. Gideon said to God, "If you will save Israel by my hand, as you have promised, look, I will place a wool fleece on the threshing floor. If there is dew only on the fleece, and all the ground is dry, then I will know that you will save Israel by my hand, as you said." And that is what happened. Gideon rose early the next day. He squeezed the fleece and wrung out the dew, a bowlful of water. Then Gideon said to God, "Do not be angry with me. Let me make just one more request. Allow me one more test with the fleece, but this time make the fleece dry and let the ground be covered with dew." That night, God did so. Only the fleece was dry. All the ground was covered with dew. God at Work, written by Tim Gustafson. Jay owned a Gideon Bible, yet his analytical mind didn't permit him to accept its miracles. One thing haunted him, though, the genuine faith of his friend. So, Jay offered a strange prayer. He told God, "If you want me to believe in you, then do something I can't explain." One day, something drew Jay to look for his Bible. It was gone. How could that be? He never lost track of things. He drove in the rain to his teaching job at the University of Zurich. Stepping out of his car, he spotted a Gideon Bible on the wet pavement. That's strange, he thought. Picking it up, he noticed the Bible was totally dry, despite the rain, something he couldn't explain. Gideon Bibles are named for an Old Testament hero of Israel. When God chose Gideon to lead Israel into battle against a vast army, Gideon had huge doubts. He told God, "I will place a wool fleece on the threshing floor. If there is dew only on the fleece, then I will know that you will save Israel by my hand." God answered Gideon's challenge, not once, but twice. Doubt-filled prayers aren't a pattern for us to follow. They can, however, reveal God's character. Gideon led a tiny army to a smashing victory. Jay put his faith in Jesus, recognizing that his prayer had been answered by a loving God who does things we can't explain. Let's pray. Dear Father, thank you that you hear our honest prayers and meet us exactly where we are. Even when we struggle and doubt, help us to recognize your hand at work in ways we cannot explain. Thank you, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What experiences have you had that seem beyond explanation? How do they help you see God at work?
Auriural mother adra utum, mother adalbangel borayangad, adalbangela mo ulbang rakaragari rayangad, dit the blol toy, abol coriol, gila tritel ngara utum. Akot, a other sel ngara utum leungil, emnemedu low but ticker ring, raro kuil ad, ludimukrar ad, el lungil at longalir. A adengilum eklul, orgadia imala ad, mal makatakatal kaknitrak laas. Aad, amokoriol, rabal kelarngul, al kera utm, el murarangalkel, mar adrablil, marokuil adra utm. Ongerung, aad amokoriol, omsiungerra utm. Aad el selngara a utm, mleungil mesyoangar alerak laas. Aad sel lobal tigereng, elungil mesyoangar alera utm, en diagalodengay, ngol olter sel berrotel, el gululula rubagara utm. Sel mobile tigering, the most sure ad, en diagamodengay, ol oltra ungir klikm, ngir klik mramdala rubak le goragaw. Au lebong la kadimoru la soamarak laad. A soamel moru la orbatarak laad. Moru la atim, ya atim moru la sob aklaw, la sobalarak laad. Mauruk lebesay, la klangar rakaw, yang mot miharangum, et miharangum ra atrik tedi mo ngara utum.
Research shows that hackers may already be inside your network. Ransomware, email scams, service disruptions, cyber theft. Guardian Cyber helps organizations identify hidden threats, remove hackers from their systems, and strengthen their defenses before serious damage is done. We provide cybersecurity assessments, network cleanup, ransomware recovery, digital forensics, and expert guidance tailored for Palau and the Pacific. Guardian Cyber, Palau's cybersecurity experts, ready when you need us. For more information, email guardiancyber19@gmail.com or visit guardiancyber.online.
Behavioral Risk Factor Surveillance System Palau, Radio Public Service Announcement. Masulang, the Ministry of Health and Human Services is launching BRFSS Palau, a health survey for adults 18 years and older. If your household is selected, a trained interviewer may call and invite an adult to participate. Your answers are confidential and help Palau understand health needs, improve services, and plan for a healthier future. BRFSS Palau. Our health, our data, our future. Take the call. Your voice matters. Palau Visitors Authority, 15 days public notice, July 1 to 15, 2026. The public is hereby informed that the Palau Visitors Authority of the Government of Palau will be soliciting proposals from interested CPA firms to conduct the single audit for Palau Visitors Authority for the fiscal year 2025-2026. The specifications, along with evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available soon. A new period for submitting proposals will begin immediately after expiration of this notice and shall continue for 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined appropriate by the Managing Director. For more information regarding this notice, please contact Judy N. Sabino at Palau Visitors Authority at telephone 488-2793, 488-1930, fax 488-1453, email judy@pristine.pw. Republic of Palau, Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division. Public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested business companies to supply BCBP uniforms and accessories for ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after July 24, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief Property and Supply Division, at the address noted below for copies of the specifications. Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016. Email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by federal grant P26 Trans F1. Invitation for bid number IFB 2826. Public notice July 10, 2026 to July 24, 2026. Bidding period July 25, 2026 to August 25, 2026. Opening date August 26, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on August 25, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. Signed, Charnel D. Sumang, Chief, Property and Supply Division. Kadebel subada. Takadebel subada loltom niya uwang rete Matias Erbay, or the lasong Pastor Sway, Yadrabut Talbay Ling Inabo, Bayaluy Ngiratreged, Dwight Ngiraybay, Ramaliga Bleso, Makonrad Allel, Rasarel Makodale Larimir Hayes Ngiratreged, El Mosmera Eya El Gabsingil El Al Onge with El Buil, July 8. Malwaise Yakmaldile Lamlamotorgo Kolmoringira Luy Eti Will Gabsingil El Al Onge with El Buil, July 29. Magim subdra rogwil admam mabomodengay edongi rakamang leko makail subda. Signed Conrad Allel.
Subdra Godal. Ya Subdra Godal ol top dringa ngira apaed Matthew Elbelau, ngira mo mis asaito, ngira iragas paudistar Lula, Petrus Itelmong, tirat ngarun goreti wasisang, ngira ingas piliani Thomas, kolabas Aloysius Tale, Raul Arnold Oilo, at Kadasaw Morales Ramaroy, ngira takaw Bibianomad, mabuy kiat Jefferson Thomas, el kmotargid Bechekldil Akemi Elbelau Thomas, amnos mercer ongaim Lorior Friday, aledel kapsingil alalong ewidel builo. Kapatangil ang ramor yam lamotrok lakamal dilel el morngin asbadong, leal kapsingil ongay builo, August 8, 2026. El di morngin abarang rupasang, magim subdrabek kaladamam ng ayang al babalda orior, mayolda, madibo madangay, edongin aspedel mataletele lakamal dilel ang kaltargid, Bechekldil di motob dugururiula. Ko malmasulang edong at mok lapangit iya Dios lumakaltang atrigidro kuy. Sain ngira abayat Matthew Elbelau ngira ramoy mis asaito ngira iragas paudistar Lula Petrus Itelmong dirat ngarur koreti wasisang ngira ingas pilani Thomas Kolbas Aloysius Tale Raul Arnold Oilo ngira takaw Bibianomad Kadasaw Morales Ramaroy mabuy kiat Jefferson Thomas.
Subdrak maldil maaldadura Chesi Sengebau. Sisul subdrak maldil laloltob ng ngaray kamsekchin muew postol ramliga. Mamadra Oleb Evan Sengebau, el morarogul adamam el ngarang ayang el babaldaw mayoldaw el mo. Mlamotorgok lakmildilel maaldadura targidra Chesi Sengebau, el mlo Wednesday, July 15, 2026, el di Marina Santos Borja Chapel el ngarayray. Ya 12 p.m. en tuab del mora Fisheries Dak, el morablilyo. Emo klorablilaw Elbelau lerul sigang 2 hours, emo umdakra olgul larangasyaw. Mang ayang lagim subdrar the orig si mang bandari maebi lungireng takawo pamo subdrar adadrangar doko. Ngarar dagim subdrar dilbu the Christina Sali mamo subdrar adadra ngar adok marangalga. Ngirarois Francis Gibb maebi larois mihainata Marcel. Subdra ngiraw bisur ganay mamo subdrar adad marangalga. Subdra Reynard Isawo mamo subdrar adad marangalga. Ngartma wagim subdrar ngalgelamle dir oirem dangalay hibalas mamo subdrar adad. Ngaramlanguy agim subdrar ngalgelamle ngirutel I emiwomad mamo subdrar adad. Ngiwal agim subdrar ngalgela baab rangalgela bertang tamol rangalgela Chico Peloy, rangalgela Tosco Inasyo, Augusta Sabo, mamo subdrar adad. Iray agim subdrar ngiraged Robert Ngirablagu, mamo subdrar adad. Rangalgela Beo Atuti, rangira ite Dr. Yano, madiraw ragam alin sa sato, mamo subdrar adad. Orior agim subdrar Espangla Dabdebra Esbay, wadal adi siklehiga, mihayna erungla, Kiomi isida, diramtawi el talatka madrang ar, Berimun Ogabe, Legislator Jennifer Agiwo, mamosubdar adadra omrogongla. Rangalgela noboru ramliga, raobak, ramanglang, lerins ramliga, mangitob ramliga, mosubdar rangalga. Rangalgela haruo ramliga, rakahili ramliga, maarti ramliga, mamosubdar rangalga. Rangalgelamle diluew Susana, raalbina da albay, marbebi rakaw. Tricia ngiradeng marbebi rakaw. Rangalgela Baumer, tra Lourdes Matalab, Maclaret Matlab, Mosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgela Yano, Rangir Etet Norbert, Migo Grace Yano, Maroman Yano, Mosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgela Sabino, Ra Antonio, Mosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgela Ngirasmau, Ramlame, Lina, Maantero, Mosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgela Tagego, Ra Desiree Yaad, Mosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgela idabong rakoreti, Mariar Door, Chan Adelbay, Mosubdra Rangalga. Ngalgela kay Ichi Dalmel, Rarangul Stacy, Maebil Abbas Mary N. Dalmel, Mosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgela Madeol, Ra Roberta Low, Mamosubdar Bebi Rakaw Marangalga. Rangalgela Mledilbug, Josefa Talay, Ran Natalia Coscalin, Jennifer Coscalin Gibbons, Mamosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgelak Medrang Augustin, Radingalius Eugene Uehara, Junior Ngiraged, Kayla Shiro, Mosubdra Rangalga. Rangalgela Blue, the Faustino, Ran Natalia Faustino, Mates Golia, Mamosubdra Rangalga. Rangalge langir omlay tele radira tamakong June ito, dirangalul Angeles Napoleon, maadabdangal satrunino tewid, upin takasi, nasariat chiba, mamosub darbe biragamiw. Rangalge labelyo Sengebau ra Earl Belhart, Magday Belhart, mamosub darbe biragamiw. Rangalge la Oygul Sengebau, Ramasami Sengebau, Ruby Shikit, Phoebe Alul, Nginamatur Dominic Sengebau, Kenny Sengebau, Everson Sengebau, mamosub darbe biragamiw. Rangalge la Francisco More, Radingalius Inacio More, Mapia Ramangasaw, Siskamis, Siang Saiske, mamosub rangalga. Rangalge lamlem uew Augusto Sengebau, Radiluew Udu Sengebau Senior, Ngirabidul Madalmadu Fred Sengebau, Mayreng Sengebau, Ngiramaloy Felix Sengebau, Rangalge lamle Blamius Malin Sengebau Chin, Rahel Paul Chin, Cynthia Chin, Balang Maysay Chin, Maygok Chin, Maylang Chin, Mayang Chin, mamosub rangalga. Rangalge Lakus, Rangalge Lataway, Ramlee Baunina Taway, mamosub rangalga. Rangalge la Amaw, Rateori Ngiraingas, mamosub darbe birakaw. Rangalge la Bomalmay, Rachinet Ito, Dirngarakwak, Janet Tewid, Jennifer Ngwal Agira, Rangalge la Bauloong, Radira Oserd, Mariana Postol, Marbebi Ramiw. Rangalge la Reng Siksay, Radawait Masami, Sofia Sid, mamosub dar adad marangalga. Rangalge la Iror wa Michael, Rateo Isamu, Ob Adraw Alyo, Elizabeth Isamu, mamosub dar bebi ramiw. Rangalge la Ngatpong, Ngirngasang, Rakyoko Solang, Ngaradok Nobuwo, Elvira Blanc, mamosub dar rangalga. Agi direk kalmasub dar Natsko Ngamalas, mamosub dar rangalga. Belilyo agi masub dar Irul Ngirngasang, Paula Ramlig, Edburg Mabel, Lili Ramlig, Edline Mabel, Marina Ramlig, Magwen Regmel, mamosub rangalga. Agi direk kalmasub rangalga la Baluong Tilay, Rabutalbay James Baluong, mamosub rangalga. Ngayaw agi masub Dib Angel Sali, Maruot Cuy de Sisuko Sali, Ulong-ong Mario Gulibert, Mapyong Ngirutang, mamosub adad, Ragablil Ratmiw. Agi direk kalmasub rangalga la Rosang Kasuo Michael, Mauel Ramadeb, Warren Fukuichi, mamosub adad marangalga. Klamate la sub the agi olngiter tirgel adamamal din nakal madungang clear, malakal bol maknitaran rir, may madakay nga sera Wednesday, July 15. Abolakal sa Emil May, edidakalat karang lungu, mapaltigareng. Kompmal masulang. Signed, Karay Gamsek Chin, Uew Postol Ramlig, Madra Oleb Events Sengebau. Subdramal dile la Chesi Sengebau, Wednesday, July 15, 2026. Palau Funeral Home, Mabalilyo. Tiasub dramal dile la Chesi Sengebau, loltob dringaw Elsia Shalom et Pisong, Itpik James Ngiratreged, Spasung Francis Mariur Matsutaro, Ngirariang Benraik Isaac, Ngikleb Alphonse Kumangay, Ngirakramius Kamsek Itchin, Welut A. Faik Elbelau, Maremus Ngirmaay, Telkmo, ang alagay de targid ra Chesi Sengebau, amlos me ersera July 2, 2026, Rabelau National Hospital, Emlamotorok Lamaldile, El Moringira July 15, 2026, Elong Edelurior, El Di Moringira Palau Funeral Home, Lomura Etiuklora Tutau, 9 a.m., El Moswelb, 12 p.m., Emodoidrek Ramlay, El Mura Fisheries Dak, Emorabililyo, El Mokloy Rablil Obrul, Rau Elbelau, Iyungla, Lerul Sigang, Emo Uraklo Lolgul, Rangarol, El Momadakla. Malwaise agim subdra admamal ngaraygal baldu Koreol Belu. Mang ayang lagim subdra madray saus mandarang, maruel mi remort margub, maobi lulong-ong aholiba Albert, mamosubdra ngalga, may madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Ang rar dagim subdra madar ngabuk da Tami Irmang South Jr., madrangas mos Magario Watsi, Stomi Naruo, Marta Dever, Maria Hapson, Malaura Hideos, mamosubdar adad marangalga, may madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Amalgayo kagim subdra oligong Polycarp Basilius, Mangiratalbadal St. Andres, Maebil Adalbay Valeria Toribiong, Marbebi Ringi. Ng esar agim subdra Obaram U Sydney Mobel, Mabuk Emil Maruy, goreti the may wasisang, marangalgela hitora the may. Orio ragim subdarangalgela sayo ko iyar, marangalgela sagigo sambal, Senator Joshua Cosiba, marbebiringi. Agidirekal misubdra President la Senate el Hokons Baules, marbebiringi. O sisul subdra maldile la Chesi Sengebau, amoranan si Wong Bells, marbebiringi. Ebil inabo, ling inabo, madaski giramur, mamosubdra rangal may madalim edray nga sertial albul. Rangal gelam les pasung liosiwo ngiray ngas ra Henry Yosiwo, mamosubdra bebirakaw may madalim edray nga sertial albul. Agidirek kalmsubdra delegat Sueni Ongidobla, diraybay Benita Rong, Engracia Jesus, Alodia Persinger, Pius Jesus, Sami Jesus, Ebil Matsutaro, Maerbay Matsutaro, Junior Adalbay, Pabaldaw Masusaw Ringil, Harry Ringil Jr. Madalas Ringil, Nancy Ringil Marbebi Ringi, Agidirek Lolngitram, Dira umrang debit kel sabal marbebi ringi, mamay madalim edray nga sertial albul. Agidirek kalmasubadra kadwin ko kits, mamay madalim edray nga sertial albul. O sisil subadra kamaldile la Chesi Sengebau, amoraw elbil tarmaw ngirmang marbebi ringi. Rangalgelay galaw yagar, kikrel av, Ramel Wis ngirmaat, masusan ngirawsuy, mamosubadra rangal may madalim edray nga sertial albul. Rangalgela Aluy es Pedro, Radil Ekalbay Linda Pedro Yob, Ngiratrang Pedro, Beverly Uldak Ngiraramyang, Riyang Lay Pedro, Maan Lati Pedro. Agidirek kalmasubdra Sara Kabakol, Machino Kabakol, Rangalgela Norman Chin, Ra Kevin Chin, Rene Chin Masang, Ngirariang Chin, Mateng Chu Chin. Agidirek kalmasubdra Eve Abraham, mamay madalim edray nga sertial albul. Rangalgelam les pasungla taktay chin, ramay say chin, mapol chin, marbebidatir. Lali chin sa kuma, rangalgela yuang et pisong, ranayami et pisong yob, odray rosemary Ngiratreged, dirasnges Karen et pisong may dasil, Jemay ma Finegan, Carol Talay, Tafok et pisong, Mangaleel et pisong. Paul Wong Jr., Rodney Wong, Agidirek kalmasubdra Sing Ichi Chin, Willie Chin Mariur, Keigo Chow Marangalgel, Marangalgela Hirosit Magay, Mamay Madalim edray nga sertial albul. Rangalgela Masaya the Mera Dexter Tamangil Marbebi Ringi, Dilikleb and Mary Solang Francisco, mamosubdra rangal may madalim edray nga sertial albul. Diray galaw Lali Gibbons, Gloria Kumangay Kailang, Rangalgela Masawo Kumangay Ra Victor Kumangay Marbebi Ringi, Usisulsub Damura Kimi Jensen, Ruby Shikit, Masami Sengebau Marangalgel, Evan Sengebau Marangalgel, Nina Ngirangol, Doris Bemo, Rangalgela Maito Tatingal, Rangalgela Bears Tatingal, Elbelau Rayung, Makaypo Rayung, Rangalgela Ngiradilub Masami Elbelau, Rasami Elbelau, Marbebi Ringi. Agidirek kalmasub drangir ongor droteo nakata, Jacinta nakata Isidoro, Alphonse nakata, Kirino nakata, Malena Trungulbay. O sisil subdrak meldile la Chesi Sengebau, Amora Nelson Sishore, Maoligong, Ra Tigay, Harvey Sishore, mamosubdar bebi ragmiw may madaalim edray nga sertial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngir ekalbay Kalisto Joseph, nginamuay Adelino Santos, Oilal Ernest Ongidobla, Krakri ay Samrael Samsel, mamosubdra Hiromi Asanuma, Barbara Tulob, Marcela Santos, Marangalgara Ekalbay, mamay madaalim edray nga sertial albul. Ay lekals pedelaw elsya shalom et piso nga morarideb o kada ti itong, malamiyar nga legemra Myers ti itong, Clark ti itong, Sally Solablay, Wanda Ramaliga, Manadia Benhart, tamal nga sukumamer ti albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra nga legelaw Riga Maui, Ra Yonami Saal, Ma Victoria Maui, Marbebi Retir. O sisil subdra kamaldile la Chesi Sengebau, Amorarangil Ra Okrang, Elbu Sadang, mamosubdra nga legelab Esadrak, u Elimio, Masadang etibek, may madaalim edray nga sertial albul. Ablilyo ay imsubdra blitang yoit singewo, mabalang ulang wong, mamosubdra bebi ragmiw may madaalim edray nga sertial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra wadal adro salin damresabang, mamosubdra ngal garang silyong, may madaalim edray nga sertial albul. o sisiulsub drakmeldile la chesi Sengebau amora Barbara Solang umedib olsing iyakar marangalgela Paul Gubari mamay madaalim edray nga sertial alabula agidirek kalmasub dra Raver Smul marbebi ringi rangalgelam lew elbil kringalyava malmay madaalim edray nga sertial albula angayaw ragim subadra Obak Andres u Elbelau ebil inaria agitaya talobat tonggo Kate marangalgem olngit ratina patros maramona o ngaliba mamosubdar adad may madaalim edray nga sertial albula agidirek kalmsubdar ngalgela mis hitpik raw eldig sa Yonatus mis wadalad siana mis Weldeseng Flavin Miss, Klol Madra Rich Miss, Iyoy Chudi Matthew, Mamosub dar baby ramiu, may madaalim edray nga sertial albula. Mbato nga masang mase, marmodel sa baril may rakamaldil, didagalat karang lungu. Edirek kalklamatela sub daw ul, mabolagi mo sisbi ang klem, eldakaw adal-ad, yagi olngit mamay madaalim mertial lulbong, al-alsungulat targi dengalged ratchesi Sengebau. Kompmal masulang, idolngit rarubak kaldios malolmol malamaknal tangat targi darokwi. Signed, Welsias Shalom et Pisong.
Tial subdel mulla rengstringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul topdringi e haraorngi, kohmal mesulang.
Subdra kodal magmaldil. Tia subdra kodal magmaldil lol topdringa tetsing itsato, nirgabay chosua kumangay, yung Benjamin Yob, ngiratngadig Wilbert ngirakamrang, ngirat nger hiob masubda el morarowil admam rababldab yoldab orior el kmo adenver Sebaklim el ngalgeladani hi Sebaklim am lamosme rem lamotorhok lakmeldilel el moringira July 17 2026 el di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel el moswelbe e motuab del morabililio mang ayangala eng spadla ngiroilang inawo Sebaklim Billy Graham Gamsong Maodamra Evelyn Chun Gamsong mamosub darbekal other tel albul. Ole ang spadlar Trui Harper Skang oragidil Maria Moses mosub darbekal other tel albul. Ngarar dagim subdra esang olgril mosub dra rudam marangal may madakay nga sewer tel alsang. Tugubetsels padela ngiratngadig Wilbert ngirakamrang amoragaygi obgolo oltur malmean ngalgem magimgay nga sewertel albul. Ilakals padela tetsing its sato amora ngalgela shiro masakuma may madakay nga sewertel albul. Ngertma agim subdra masaya gumangay mautakangan masubdra bekal drakawad elgirel tel albul. Ngaramlangu yung spadla badul daklas Margub, Marciana Maydesil, Blas Lawrence. Ilakals padela tetsing itsato amorangir turong mosub darbekal dakaw adalgirel tial albul. Ngiwal ang spadla titay Peggy Hanser mosub darbekal dakaw adalad may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Tigal ruba ka direkal mosub dra ugardew Patrick Talay, Chulita Talay, mamosub dra rangal may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal mosub dra Ulis Rosie Saburo, direkal spadla u Ermelek Lateruor ngulbay may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Agi direkal masub dara diraryu kalista yamauchi ramaseng le isao sato Alons Moses Gloria Andres Meriang Ninu Bultabay rangalgelam malom sa Yashiro. Agi direkal masub dara odal at tutod Elis ralu latarong Elis mamosub dara bekal ngal galgirel tial albul. Direkal masub dara dingalius Moses Yobo Marigold Yobo mosub dar bebi ramiu may madakay nga sew. Ilakal spadela ngirat nger hiob masub amora ngalgela termetet mamosub dar bebi ramiu tial albul. Madakom mal masulang. Signed Tet Sing Its Sato ngirgabay Joshua Gumangay yung Benjamin Yob ngirat ngadig Wilbert ngirakamrang ngirat nger hiob masub. Subdra kamaldile la Denver Sebaklim. Tia subdra kamaldil lol tobding ay Peak James ngiradeng madiliget ne so alablay rakamaldile langalged Radenver Sebaklim el ngalgel adani hi Sebaklim maatana siya ngiraloy Sebaklim el ngalgel am late Peak ngiraloy. Emlamotorok lakamaldile lol moringira Friday July 17 2026 el di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel lomura etiu klora tutaw 9 a.m. el moswel 12 p.m. Yaswel Matedob 12:30 p.m. en tuab del mora Fisheries Dak al Morabililio. A omra el almutra o sisiulsil será 3 p.m. al Mer Orior. Makyol ngitrar bekel adama malngaray galbelul beldukoryo maloyti ta elsenrir elamay madlim idkay ngasewer tialulbong rangal targid engelged. Magi olngi bekel adama malngaray galbelu. Ang eyang ruulmi remote marhub mosubdrar adalbayra sabangyol Snow Albert. Ngarar madar ngabugd el tami irmang South Junior daray trir yutaka mangloy. Ngersula obakram el Sydney AET mosubdrar marangalga. Orior ngir ekalbay Galisto Joseph mamosubdar bebilegid emay madagay ngasew. Ngiramuay Adelino Santos mamosubdar bebilegid emay madagay ngasew. Senate President Hokons Baules marbebirengi. Ngir okreng elbu el savang marbebirengi. Rangalgelab eserak etibek, rangalgelay meong etibek, rangalgela meu etibek, rangalgelar mort rere, rangalgela mobile delay, rangalgela mga South Lutao, rangalgela kasuma mga lil, ngirameriang Alex Ramsik marbebirengi, mosubdrar kadwin ito marbebirengi. Ngiraygalaw Francisco Gibbons, mosubdar bebiregid emay madakay ngasew. Oba adrat talbud Luisa Paloy, mosubdar adad marangalga. Belilyo, idasyar Lester ngiramged makablira edru A, rangar dalolga. Rangalgela ngiraloitem, rangalgela sulisang ngiradongs, etibek James ngiradeng marbebirengi, rangalgela kasil sualablay, rangalgela mle uelool chuneo sismau, raver smul marbebirengi, yadribugul kioni saan marbebirengi. Ngayaw talob at tonggo gate marbebirengi. Tugubet sub damurat tulungal garakaramyus rangal siyas, elmoraw el siyas siyalum et pisong, mau elbil tarmaw ngirmang, mamosub dar bebiregid emay madakay ngasew. Ar adama malmlodeangal madungang clear tial sub, agi molingit artir malakalbol makitarandir, lengklam ngatela sub daw ul. Ebay may madakay ngasew, etirgel model sa bairil may, akmal diungil basul, edidagalat karang lungu. Kompmal masulang. Signed, Sinton, Sualablay. Padalat tulungal gras aduy, gabliraw alyaw, ngarkayuk labalilyaw. Tiasub dra kamaldil, loltob niya Elbelau Galisto Joseph, Johnny Yao, ngirongor droteo nakata, yadar talwang Charles Obiang, Teofanus Isamu, Marisong Dennis Rangul, el morarokuil adrir el ngarababaldab, orior mayoldab mo, at targidra Denver Sebaklim, amlos merasande el mlechun 21-2026, mapadingin lang aramorgo. Akamaldi lamlamotor ko kalmoringira Friday, July 17, 2026, el di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el ngarangat kibra belurayray. Ngamaldi el moswel, yabaldo la tuab del morabalilyo, el motuab regelesira protestant al talsigang, en mo umadakla. A omra el almutra ewal clock 4 p.m. el mer orior. Hindi kangalyok maalung la kardi mokal girel tialulbong el sungulang galtargid. Magimsubdra adamam regal belu. Mangar along agim subdragawal dilbug da mates skang, Trisha ngiratrang, mamosubdra da marangalga. Ngarar agim subdra ngalgela diraklay rangula, marangalgela ora koteb. Agidire kalmusubdra Esther Talams, ngir oteo Caleb Uduy Jr., ngiratangadik Wilbert, ngirakamarang marbebirengi, Adalbay Rayati, Dwight Alexander marbebirengi, Marta Marcil marbebirengi, Chantarong Jr. marbebirengi. Ngas pasub del Bechekldil may madakay ngasew. Ngatpang agim subdra Siles ngiraramyang, Matansi ngiraramyang, mamosub dar bebiramiw marangalga. Ngaramlunguy agim subdra Margaret Rangul, Liwen Shiro, Magi Antonio Mamarensya. Mamay madakay ngasew. Agidire kalmusubdra Corina Rangulbay, Mamaurin France, marangalgela isawo si Shore, mamay madakay ngasew. Imali agim subdra gawal Krakri ay Samrael Samsel marangalgem, Ra Alvin Malosi, Malgarbes Kabay Siksay, Rangalgelang Iru Albat Siksay, Ra Alvarin, Wilfred Mateo Linda, Mamgas Pasub de may madakay ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dragaw lahay na mami sa maruudam, Mamultur Radalmiw may madakay ngasew. Malgayo kagim sub dragaw Betty Mongami, Mamosub Darbebi Rakaw. Ras tu Ulyaw Ramarbebi Rakaw, Mamultur Radalmiw may madakay ngasew. Iray agim sub dramadang ramsik, Ebil Risong Yoskot Ultoy, Obaad Galaulbay Olgril, Iwong Bees, Omebail Basilius, Deborah Alibosang Marangalgel, Uay Hidemi, Dosb Ngirayaol, Dirngas Among Lay En Rangulbay, Ur Oib, Lea Sakuma Kyota, Shelby Masami, Carlisa Ngiralmau, Dirulang Diolin Tamol, Tatangalel Rangula, Danachin Titimla, Oobiyagar Marbebiringi, Chakwini Naruo, Yorang Brigul, Ongetiu Ailes R. Sura the Marangalgel, Delegate Stephanie Ngir Oymay, Yur Oymay Daniel, Mamosub dar bebi ramiu. Omgatal Blayo Kililaw, Matargarang Mes Blayo, Maria Tuti Mira, Anchi Tuti, Tasya Napoleon, Lavlin Rangul, Dolin Tel, Indira Tel Peloy, Long Tel, Shelly Siksay, Marcela Spis, Irang Rangul, Legislator Royce Yoichi Arurang. Aruk tamao lagim subdra rapaal latagewang ngirmakur, ngirgiklang lomisang ngirmakur, mamosubdra ruuliw marangalga. Terbor Michael Mutok, Kennedy Mutok, Legislator Michael Mutok, Morgan Mutok, Raalul Garingang Mates, Fernando Gewi, Lloyd Gewi, Kisley Gewi, John Kennedy, Elwin Skilang, Kautaang Vince Blayok, Iadrabuk, le Governor Norman Ngiratreged, Senator Mason Ngiriabang Whips, Rangul Ngirayaol, Sim Ngirayaol, Legislator Roydan Rangul, Collins Tagewo, John Tuti, Larry Tuti, Mike Tuti, Davis Tamtereng, Carl Skilang, Ernie Skilang, Rangalgela Herencio Tel, Rasangye Masasu, Omigol Ligertang, Singewa France, Wesley Metes, Toley Libosang, Ashley Etpisong, Carlos Etpisong, Erwin Dwight, Willis Marur, Manik Marur, Mosubdar Bebi Ramiu, Kadwin Philip, Mosubdar Bebi Rakaw, Warden Siksay, Gadul Siksay, Howard Uel, Henson Uel, Charles Ngiralmau, Jackson Rengil, McClinton Freeze. Orior, Agim Subdra Dilbug, Christina Sali Marangalgel, Tosco Arbadul, Senator Rubay Kikuo Inabo, Marbebi Rengi, Diratublay Debi M. Ramangasaw, Mlea Paulina Tuay Marangalgel, Teodora Sibetang Miguel, Masiska Wataru Marangalgiu, Crete Williams Marangalgel, Ngmal Lamyot Clolaad Marangalgel, Kikuye Mates Ngirngasang, Ebil Abbas Batildes Olaol, Marangalgel Rakasuwe Uegi, Legislator Nyo Uegi, Rangalgel Aiblay Klavik, Mra Grace Rimir, Marangalgel Marbebi Rengi, Baslisa Ginto, Ebiledil Caroline N. Tagada Marbebi Rengi, Olivine Joseph, Chanel Oywerang Joseph, Macholin Motil Joseph, Israela Yao Raklay, Giovanna Yao, Rangalgel Amle Elbelau Philip Clolubag, Raoreng Philip, Masharmain Bitalal Igeda, Mosubdar Bebi Ramiu. Turang amad Hasintan Nakata, Harue Nakata, Dil Oligong Terry Ngiraingas, Dora Benhart, Quindina Benhart Obode, Melanie Islam, Doris Ito, Oidudul Siksay, Linda Michael, Berin Mariur, Dilbos Uel, Chewin Humang, Damiana Michael, Colebrang Michael, Kalalbay Tablak, Shirley Esuroy M. Sengebau, Albong Walter Miguel, Ngirak Rose Ruur, Janet Tewid, Chinet Rebes Ito, Jennifer Ngwal, Dilbos Sherry Sishore, Mlame Ongino, Rina Ongino, Kokoy Rungul, Wendy Bauloong, Sarah Cabocol, Christiana Ngiramos Asanuma Marbebi Ringi, Ngolom sa France, Catherine Sishore Marbebi Ringi, En Wakakoro, Bernice Isawo Sishore, Jacinta Oyama Marbebi Ringi, Liz Sims, Mariar Door, Chris Joseph, Molina Skilang, Marcela Olwal, Kailani Kini, Dilub Asamil, Bayriang Sasawo Adalbay, Suset Marilu Santos, Sofia Sid, Gloria Masami, Sabet Masayosi, Juliet Ari, Shiomi Masayosi, Ana Gotlob, Elaine Gamilus, Fidela Model, Johnny Gasoley, Teo Sanday, Matarga Rabadabi, Anchela Ngiraloy, Mda Julia Oib, Maalbay the Lucia Oib, Momosubdar Bebi Ramiu. Aruktama lagim subdra Thomas Ngirarigel, Alons Joseph, the Bdebra France, Radasom Tony Adalbay Marangalgel, President Sunang Whips Jr., Dwight Masami Maruulel, Tony Rimir, Ben Kaipat Ngirarigel, Hector Tatingal, Fraser Bauloong Marbebi Ringi, Riang Yosino, Gustaway, Dwayne Masami, Rulu Philip, Obakalol Peter Napoleon, Clyde Napoleon, Byron Napoleon, Ace Kikuo, Christian Isamu, Alduk Lakabokol, Larry Wakakoro, Antero Boysek, Radis Model, Jesus Sus Sisior, Harvey Sisior, Walter Mariur Jr., James Ngiraramyang, Alphonse Nakata, Legislator Job Kikuo, Eric Whips, Legislator Olgari Liao, Cyril Fujimi, Eric Nakamura, Kenny Eleduy, Ahas Kikuo, Johnny Mongami, Ma-Armstrong Polo Develbot. Balilyo agim subadra obadraw ulyo sabit isamu, Altalat ka France Balwong, Emigo Sabino, Nora Sisior, Mariana Postol, Marchi Blelay, Narit Rabong, Mercy Sims, Rangalgela Smith Olgaril, Rangalgela Edwite Mingirarwa, Ngingat Pak Number Napoleon, Andres Napoleon, Hayes Kahue, Alphonse Samil, Elway Samil, Einer Cabrol, Dan Harusi, Legislator Billy Marbebiringi, Dennis Oisawang, Mamadrang R. Girino Nakata. Agi direkal masub dal morangalgela Adalbail Airway, Rarangul Yusim Makui, Arasomla Benhart Thomas, Rukubay Mayumi Ramlig, Tangalbad Makui, Maprisila Swalablay, Elizabeth Rideb, Lulutur Maudibong Basilio, Mamosubdrar Adada Marangalga, Emay Madray Ngasew. Kel mulareng seringil sub as padela kamaldile la targidra Denver Sebaklim, el nosme ersera Sunday el June 21, 2026. Armaldi lam turko kol moringira Friday, July 17, 2026. El di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el ngarangat kibra Ray. Ngamaldi el moswel, bayabeldo ko la tuwab del morabililyo, el motuab regele sera Protestant el talsigang, eng mo umadakla. Ya omra el mutal mer oryo ratal yal sils. Al ngarngiar adma malmlo urabatak lang clear, lang klamatel tial subdaw ul, yagik mal ayamar, e olngit malakalbol makita rendir, el may magim gay ngasew. Ndira kalkmal bato ka alsang, e kloatretre, marmodekal sab irel may, nkmal diungil basul, e didagalat kerang lungu. Kompmal masulang, yarubakal Dios, lomenggether rokui. Signed, Elbelau Kalisto Joseph, Johnny Yao, Nirongor Droteo Nakata, Other Talwang Charles Obiang, Theophanus Isamu, Risong Dennis Rangul.
Tial subadal mulla rengstrengi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul topdrengi e haraorngi, kohmal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours. Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information.
You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
This is a Fox News alert, an interim replacement for Senator Lindsey Graham. I'm Lisa Brady.
Lindsey has always been there for me, and now I will be there for him.
Graham's younger sister, Darlene, just named by the South Carolina governor to serve out the rest of his term, which ends in January. Graham raised her after the untimely deaths of both of their parents when she was still a young teenager. During the announcement a short time ago, the now 62-year-old also offering this message to her brother.
I miss you more than I can even put into words, but I'm going to do this. I got it.
She says the past 2 days have been very difficult and that faith and an outpouring of shared memories have gotten the family through it.
Lindsey Graham understood the hopes, dreams, and needs of his state and delivered for his state every time.
Governor Henry McMaster calling the four-term senator irreplaceable just before naming Darlene Graham Nordone, now set to become the first woman to represent South Carolina in the U.S. Senate. A special election is expected next month to pick a new Republican nominee in the November election for that seat. After a weekend of U.S. strikes and more Iran counterattacks, each side claiming control over the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump telling Fox,
"We're going to keep the strait, and we'll probably run it. We'll become the guardian of the strait. Maybe we'll call it the guardian angel of the strait." And we should be reimbursed for that.
Also reimposing a U.S. naval blockade of Iranian ports.
The strikes over the past 24 hours targeted air defense systems, coastal radar sites, missile and drone capabilities around the strait. They don't seem like they're going to end anytime soon. Military experts say the president is fed up and not buying the lies from Iran anymore.
Fox Business' Edward Lawrence at the White House. President Trump plans to address the nation Thursday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. America is listening to Fox News. Anti-ICE protests firing up in Maine after a deadly shooting earlier today. Speaking to reporters, Maine Independent Senator Angus King said the Homeland Security Secretary told him the man had been given an order to leave the country.
He was in a vehicle, pulled out in the vehicle, and the term the Secretary used was weaponize the vehicle. He was shot by an ICE agent.
Multiple agencies are investigating, including the FBI. Immigrant advocates say the man killed was a 26-year-old Colombian native who was authorized to work in the U.S. A mega entertainment deal now faces a multi-state lawsuit. 12 states, led by California, argue that Paramount's planned takeover of Warner Brothers Discovery would extinguish competition in Hollywood and threaten jobs across the industry. But Paramount argues delaying the deal will only harm entertainment workers. The states are asking the companies not to close the merger until the legal process plays out. A concert goes into extra innings.
Jay-Z finished out his 3-night stand at Yankee Stadium in The last night had an over 3-hour delay, with the rapper coming out at midnight explaining he didn't want to start the music and people get trampled. This after a large group of fans reportedly rushed multiple stadium gates, prompting a security lockdown. Special guests on the final night show, dubbed Extra Innings, included Rihanna, who joined Jay-Z on Run This Town, and his wife, Beyonce, who performed Drunk in Love. Plus, Tiana Taylor, Usher, and Pharrell Williams.
Fox's Monica DeLuca, a joint statement from the Yankees, Rock Nation, and Live Nation, thanked police and stadium security, emphasizing that gates were reopened cautiously and carefully after security breaches. Stocks finished in the red as oil prices surged, the Dow dropping 138. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.